Welcome to day 6 of the 30-day meditation challenge. If you're just joining us, I'm Kim Colegrove, and you can start here and keep up with us every day. Go back to day 1, whatever you want to do. I'm not going to spend any time introducing myself or talking about myself. Everything that you need to know about me, you can find on my homepage of Pause First Academy, my site, or over on YouTube. Under the description of every video, you'll find everything you need to know about me. Welcome, welcome. Today is day 6, and today we're going to do something called counting breaths meditation. So there are 4 primary types of meditation that I've taught over the years. One I call basic daily meditation, one that I call breath awareness, one is counting breaths, and another one is mantra meditation. I also have walked lots of students through mindfulness meditation and a lot of different techniques. I don't want you to get hung up on the terminology or the names or the technicalities of the differences. What this meditation challenge is about, it's about experimenting, learning something new, and doing a brief daily practice each day just to help you get in the habit of it. And then hopefully after the 30 days, you can figure out a way, pulling from what you've learned over the 30 days, you can figure out an approach to meditation that will work for you so you can create a sustainable practice. All right, today is counting breaths practice. And what we're going to do is we're going to breathe, kind of focus our minds on our breathing while we count. A lot of people need some kind of an anchor or something somewhere for their mind to land in order for them to be able to sit still and enjoy a meditation. Some people can just sit and clear their head and let whatever happens happen, and that works great for some people. But I want you to try this counting breaths and see how it feels for you as we move through the 30 days, making mental notes or actual notes about which approaches work for you so that you'll know how to create your own meditation practice. Okay, so I will invite you now to sit someplace comfortable. You want to be comfy. Hopefully your phone is on silent. You won't be interrupted. And as always, I invite you to close down your eyes and follow along. But if at any time during the meditation that becomes uncomfortable, do whatever you need to do. You can open your eyes or change your breathing, okay? All right, counting breaths meditation. So let's start by taking a nice deep breath. Close your eyes down now. Take a nice full deep breath. Really inhale and exhale. Blow it all out. I'd just like you to kind of shift what you've been doing, kind of shift your breathing. And now a couple more nice deep breaths. And what we're going to do during this meditation is on each inhale, we're going to mentally count to 4. And on each exhale, we'll mentally count to 4. So breathe along with me here for a couple of breaths and let me kind of give you the rhythm and the idea of how this goes, all right? So 3, 2, 1, inhale, 2, 3, 4, and exhale. 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, and exhale. 2, 3, 4. Keep breathing here on your own. We're going to start in just a moment. So what I'd like you to do is focus your awareness on your breathing and mentally count to 4 at your own pace, your own cadence, because we all breathe at different rates. All right, so just breathing and kind of rhythmically counting as you breathe and allowing your body to be relaxed. And let's see how it goes. All right. So here we go. I'm going to start you by asking you to focus your awareness on your face. Take a nice breath here, and as you exhale, release any tension you're holding in your face. And then just breathe. Relax your face. Relax the muscles of your face. Now I'd like you to bring your awareness to your shoulders. Nice breath here. And as you exhale, relax your shoulders. Release and relax your shoulders. And keep breathing. And now bringing your awareness to your belly. Nice full deep breath until into your belly. Feel it expand. And as you exhale, release any tension from your belly on your midsection. Okay, I'll get you started with just a couple of breaths. And then I'm going to be quiet for a couple of minutes while we enjoy a couple of quiet minutes of meditation together. Just continue your counting. 1, 2, 3, 4 on your inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4 on your exhale. All right, here we go. Nice inhale. 2, 3, 4, and exhale. 2, 3, 4. Again, inhale. 2, 3, 4, and exhale. 2, 3, 4 on your own now. If your mind wanders away or you find yourself distracted by thoughts, just know that that's normal and that's okay. If your thoughts distract you or bother you, or you've gotten completely pulled out of this meditation, that's okay. Just take a nice breath and let that breath redirect you back. Kind of bring your mind to where your body is and start over with a nice breath and counting 1 to 4. On the inhale, 1 to 4. On the exhale, and you can bring yourself back again and again. Keep going. Good job. As always, you can stay here as long as you'd like. Sit in meditation as long as you'd like. I'm going to wrap it up here. Thanks for being with me today, and I will see you tomorrow.